Welcome to an easy guide to enhancing documents with columns and tables. In this lesson, you will learn how to use tables and columns to enhance your documents. This is an introductory lesson designed for those who are new to word processors and those who want to improve their skills. You'll learn how to create tables, format them, and use columns to create a professional-looking document. By the end of this lesson, you will have the skills you need to create tables and columns in your documents with ease. Let's get started. Introduction to word processor. Word processors. A word processor is a software application that is used for creating, editing, and formatting text documents. Graphical user interface. A graphical user interface is a type of user interface that allows you to interact with electronic devices through graphical elements such as icons, buttons, and windows. Toolbars. A toolbar is a graphical user interface element that contains a set of buttons or icons that represent frequently used commands or functions. Menus. A menu is a list of options or commands presented to the user in a graphical user interface. Word processors typically have a variety of menus and toolbars that allow users to perform various functions, such as formatting text, inserting images, and creating tables and columns. In the next section, we'll explore how to use tables and columns to enhance your documents. Creating tables in a document. Tables are a great way to organize information in a document. Here's how you can create a table in a Microsoft Word document. Step 1. Choose a table design. First, click on the Insert tab and select Table. Then choose the number of rows and columns you want in your table. Step 2. Insert and edit rows and columns. Once you have created your table, you can insert and edit rows and columns as needed. To insert a new row or column, right-click on the row or column next to where you want to insert and select Insert. To delete a row or column, right-click on the row or column and select Delete. Step 3. Change borders, colors, and shading. You can also change the borders, colors, and shading in your table to make it more visually appealing. To do this, click on the Design tab and select the options you want to change. Formatting tables. Tables are a great way to present information in a structured and organized manner. Merging cells. Merging cells is useful when you want to combine two or more cells into one larger cell. Changing column widths. To change column widths, hover your mouse over the line between two column headers until it turns into a double-sided arrow. Then click and drag the line to make the column wider or narrower. Applying text alignment. To apply text alignment to table cells, select the cells you want to modify and click on the Alignment button in the toolbar. You can choose from left, center, or right alignment. Formatting text within table cells. To format text within table cells, select the cell you want to modify and use the toolbar to apply formatting such as bold, italic, or underline. You can also change the font size, and font color. Using columns in documents. What are columns? Columns are the vertical sections in a document that help you organize your content. To add columns to your document, click on the Page Layout tab. Click on Columns. Choose the number of columns you want. How to format columns. To format columns, click on the Page Layout tab. Click on Columns. Choose more columns to adjust column width. Click on Line Between to add lines between columns. How to format column text and images. To format column, text, and images, select the text or image you want to format. Right-click and select Format Cells. Choose the options you want. How to insert section breaks. To insert section breaks, click on the Page Layout tab. Click on Breaks. Choose Next Page to create a new section. Tips for using columns. Here are some tips for using columns. Use columns to create a newsletter or brochure. Use columns to create a table of contents. Use columns to create a resume or CV. Using columns can help you make your document look more organized and professional. By following these steps, you can easily add and format columns in your document. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.